Chief Wilking of the Exeter Fire Department again, and I wanted to talk to you about our project to replace the breathing apparatus in the fire department. The packs we're currently using were purchased in 2011. The manufacturer typically provides parts, support, and maintenance for a 10-year period, and then parts become harder and harder to come by. What we're seeking support for is the purchase of 36 new breathing apparatus. These are the apparatus that the firefighters use every day. It protects the firefighter from smoke, inhalation, and other toxic environments we enter. They are perhaps the most important piece of equipment that we own, and they are costly. The project we're seeking would be to replace 36 units for a total of $348,000. The warrant article is $385 and includes interest over a 7-year period. As we said, the manufacturer provides a 7-year period, a 10-year period of time in which the units should remain in service, so we feel a 7-year lease payment is a prudent approach to spread the cost over that. Each air pack we were purchased has the full pack assembly, all of the electronics to make it work, the bottle, the face piece to protect the firefighter's lungs, and a spare cylinder. In 2011, we purchased 45 packs. At that time, we had an extra engine that we have since, we did not replace, so we have 4 engines, and 36 units allow us to provide 1 unit for every seated position in our fleet, including 2 on each ambulance and 1 in each staff car that a chief officer would drive, so we would all have the breathing apparatus available. So the pieces that we're using now, the 45 packs that we purchased, we're down to 40 usable packs in that 11-year span of time. The 5 packs that have come out of service, we've cannibalized the parts to keep the remaining units in service, and over time that's going to continue. So we're hoping that we can replace all of our air packs this year. It'll be a consistent pack for all firefighters to wear. We were asked during the budget process, would it be possible to kind of do a half and half to spread the cost out over? And the problems we have then is we have 2 different type of units. Depending on which you would use, it would be difficult to train and remain proficient in, not knowing what you would be wearing that day, depending on what truck you drove or rode or pack you replace. All 36 units we need so that we can train on them, become proficient in them, and use them in the life-saving times that we have to during fires and other incidents to protect the citizens and property of Exeter. Thank you.